Hi everyone, I hope you are having good day today and welcome back to Applebold YouTube channel. On this video, I will guide you, no sound on iPhone video. Fix it now. While playing the video on your iPhone, does it sound cut out suddenly? Or sound not working on iPhone videos? You will get your answer in this video. The high-quality cameras and innovative video modes of iPhones have made it a worthy opponent to digital cameras. While most of the videos shot or downloaded on the iPhone turn well, some of them may come with issues like audio not playing. Please use 4D Dig Video Repair to fix video no sound on iPhone or iPad. With 4D Dig, you can repair any corrupted or unplayable video. Also, you can repair unplayable, corrupted, choppy, jerky, grainy, distorted, or fuzzy videos, and many more, and efficiently perform batch repairs across multiple formats. Tenorshare 4D Dig Video Repair is an excellent tool for those dealing with video corruption issues. Not only can it automatically repair your videos, but it will also repair other types of files that have also been corrupted. Or you can use other tool with 4D Dig Video Repair, all in one tool. Repair any corrupt video file from any device with multiple formats. And it is available on Windows and Mac. To get started, download and install the software on your computer. Then follow these easy steps. Launch 4D Dig File Repair on your computer. Select Fix Video Errors from the main interface. Or you can select other features such as Repair Audio, Photo, Video and Files. On this case, I will fix no audio on iPhone. Then select Fix Video Errors. Click the Start button. Click Add Video and select one or multiple corrupted video files from your computer. Then click the Open button to add them to the repair queue. Once you've added the damaged video, click the Start Repair button and wait for the software to complete the repair process. When the repair is complete, you can preview the repaired videos by clicking the View Results button. If you are satisfied with the repaired videos, or you can use Advanced Repair to get more result for repairing the video. Either click the Export button for each video individually, or click Export selected to save the selected answers to your computer. Now, you can watch the video with audio. Restore audio to videos with no sound, bringing back the complete audio-visual experience and ensuring every detail is fully enjoyed. As you can see, the video has been repaired without any errors. Go back to your iPhone or iPad. Send the video error to your iPhone. And now, the video back to normal, and you can open it like usual with a sound. So, I very recommend you to use 4D Dig Video Repair to fix your video error such as video without sound. Easy to use, even beginner can use this tool. Also, you can use other features of 4D Dig Repair tool if you need it. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe this channel to get more videos. Thank you.